How important are those 140 characters to Twitter? Important enough to go to court to protect them. The ACLU reports Twitter is fighting a subpoena against one of its users. Malcolm Harris is charged with disorderly conduct in connection with Occupy Wall Street protests last year. The New York District Attorney in Manhattan wants his tweets, and Twitter has motioned to quash the court order. Digital Trends reports Harris has already tried to fight the subpoena once, but a New York judge ruled he didn't have control of the content in question. New York Criminal Court Judge Matthew Scarino Jr. ruled last month that police could subpoena tweets without the need for a search warrant because, according to Scarino, tweets are not actually the property of the person who posted them. Twitter says that's not the case. In its motion, it pointed to its own terms of service, which state users keep the right to any content they post on Twitter. Twitter goes further, saying a subpoena violates the Stored Communications Act, which lets users challenge access to their online records. And the social media giant says the Fourth Amendment applies as well. WebPro News applauds Twitter. This battle could set a new legal precedent. I didn't think I would ever see the day when an internet company would lay the legal smackdown on the courts. Twitter has essentially proven, at least in the case of their service and their state, that the Fourth Amendment does apply online. The Verge says it's a win-win for Twitter. It wouldn't have to step in every time a court wants access to tweets, and it's good PR too. The company can't afford to sit between every single defendant who uses Twitter and the law enforcement authorities who might want to look at their accounts. More importantly, the company needs to reassure users that it's standing up for them. If Twitter is successful in quashing the subpoena, the DA will have to come back with a warrant for Harris's tweets. The account in question, meanwhile, hasn't been updated since April. For Newsy, I'm Nathan Byrne, multiple sources, The Real Story.